Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
My internet is unstable, so let me try this. Energetic. I just don't have the energy. I don't know why.
Okay.
I have it one day and then nothing the next day.
Okay. What would happen if you had that energy every day?
I would accomplish a lot.
Yeah, but you're also going into resistance. That's interesting. If you have that energy every day, do you have to use it all up?
No.
Even though when you're saying no, it's like you can tell that's a big fat lie.
Because I don't know when I'm going to have it again. So I do go a little crazy.
Okay. But what's happening is when you've created the story that, okay, whenever I have the energy, I've got to use it up because I don't know when it's going to happen again. But because I don't know when it's going to happen again, doesn't go into your subconscious. It's just whenever I have the energy, I've got to use it up. So are you willing to step out of the story that whenever you have that energy, you have to use it up?
Yes.
Okay. Did you ever use up all your energy and burn yourself out?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Are you trying to make sure that never happens again?
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
So notice what you've done here is you've got this story. Well, you had the story. Whenever I have energy, I have to use it up. But you've got this other story that I had burnout and I want to make sure I never have burnout again. So you make yourself tired, but then you've got the conflicting energy that whenever you do have energy, I've got to use it all. I've got to do all this stuff. Right? And that doesn't make for a fun life. Okay. Now, here's the interesting thing is when you're trying to avoid something that happened in the past, you're in this push energy. I got to make sure that doesn't happen. Got to make sure that doesn't happen. So it's like pushing up against a wall. Okay. And you're like, when I was a kid, a wall fell on me. Okay. So now, whenever there's a wall nearby, I've got to go push against that wall and push as hard as I can to make sure that wall doesn't fall down. And meanwhile, that was just that one wall that had some structural defects in it when you were a kid. And it's just branded in your brain. That happened. So now you're pushing up against all these walls. So when I tell you to stop trying to make sure it never happens again, all I'm telling you is, okay, this wall's okay. Stop pushing against the wall. It doesn't mean I want you to have that wall fall on you. Okay. So when you get rid of the resistance, it doesn't mean that the thing you're resisting suddenly happens. It just means the resistance goes away. Okay. So are you willing to step out of the story that you have to make sure you never burn yourself out again?
Yes.
Okay. How's that feel? Better, worse, the same, or different?
Better.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, lighter.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. And if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.